Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to work with login form. Go to Solution Explorer and here add another class. Go to add section and add new atom. Select class, simple class, and assign name admin DAL. Create class, and here open student DAL and copy SQL connection and first method select data, paste it here. First of all, click here and then choose first option using system.data.sql client, and here also choose first atom using system data. Save it, and last one is system.windows.forms, and here change the query to the select all from admin, where user name is equal to username and password is equal to password, and also same as it is, copy these two instructions or statements and paste it here, and also receive two variables, string username and string pass. So change this one to pass, and here change student.name to username. Also change the name to user name, and here change it with password and save it. Login data, save this one, and now open login form.cs design and double click here. First of all, create an object of student admin DAL class. So admin DAL is equal to new, and here click this bulb icon and select student registration.dl. means we are going to select student registration, means this namespace, and in this namespace we are going to select DAL folder. In DAL folder we have this class admin DAL. So now first of all check if username text, username not empty, and the second condition is that text dot text is also not empty. Display message box dot show please enter password and username. Otherwise, you can call the method, but first of all, create data table and admin data is equal to admin dl dot login data, and first of all send text username and text pass dot text, also here dot text. And here count number of rows in tables. Please enter valid password or username and here admin data dot rows dot count greater than 0. So in this condition, log into dashboard and now run the project. Here first press login button, please enter password and username. So enter username and password, invalid password. Click on login button. Please enter valid password or username. So I am going to enter valid username and password. Click on login button and now look at here. So also one more thing, that is this dot hide, and another thing is that here you can create static variable which is public static user ID is equal to 0, or you can assign integer value. I think string is better than integer. And here user ID is equal to admin data row 0 column 0 to string. So first dot rows to string, save the login form, and now Fahim and click on login button. So here is our dashboard form. Also click on login form, GUI login form, select username text box and go to text and add Fahim, and also in password add Fahim. Save this one. Thank you for watching this video.